Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Automotive Doors is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components of your vehicle, silently protecting you from the elements and ensuring your safety on the road. These aren't just simple panels, they are complex engineering marvels designed for security, aerodynamics, and ease of use, contributing significantly to the overall driving experience and the aesthetic appeal of your car. From the satisfying thud of a well-built door closing to the advanced features found in modern vehicles, understanding what makes a great automotive door can enhance your appreciation in your next purchase. Number 5. TOOENJOY Plastic Restorer 8-ounce Kit. Tired of plastic restorers that fade quickly? Our solution renews, seals, and protects surfaces, delivering results that last for months. Unlike other products that fade in days, ours provides a long-lasting finish. It renews, seals, and protects any interior or exterior surface for several months. Stop worrying about rain ruining your hard work. Our product repels water and maintains its great look for months, preventing ugly streaks. Hate greasy, wet dressings? Ours restores surfaces and dries completely to the touch. Say goodbye to ruined towels and supplies from oily products. We are committed to quality, using advanced science and the best equipment. Our formulas are mixed and bottled right here in the USA. Our team genuinely cares about your satisfaction. If you have any issues, we'll do everything we can to make it right. What we like. Tired of plastic trim fading after a short time? This product offers results that last for months, even after rain. If you're looking for a trim restorer that won't leave streaks and dries completely, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a clean, long-lasting finish without the greasy residue. What people say. It brought back to life and it lasted for a long time, and now I just touch it up whenever I go to get it washed and it looks brand new. It worked really well and brought them 100% back to life. They were starting to get that dry rot look. The product worked perfectly and completely fixed the issue. It was very easy to work with and clean after it was done being applied. It's also not sticky, which I was worried about. The product didn't have a color, it just perfectly restored the color of the plastic rubber. This is the best dressing style plastic restorer I have used. It works well and leaves a very natural or OEM appearance. The TOOENJOY plastic restorer leaves a very similar OEM finish, but seems to last about twice as long. Number 4. Auto Trim Removal Tool Kit, 5-piece set. This set is made from durable nylon, ensuring your car's surfaces are protected from scratches. It provides strong leverage for removing trims, panels, and dashboards with ease. Working on car interiors has never been simpler. This kit makes removing dashboards, door panels, and plastic trim fast and easy for any vehicle. Each tool is designed for longevity, offering sturdiness and flexibility. They can handle tight angles and delicate edges without causing any damage. With multiple shapes included, these tools are perfect for various applications. They help safely extract rivets, fasteners, and clips without damaging metal parts. This lightweight kit fits easily in your glove box or toolbox. It's always ready for quick access when you need to fix, replace, or upgrade your car's interior. What we like. Need to remove interior car panels without causing damage? This set of tools is designed to protect your car's surfaces while providing strong leverage. If you're working on dashboards, door panels, or plastic trim and want a simple, effective solution, you should consider this kit. It's ideal for DIYers and professionals alike. What people say. The no-scratch design ensures that the vehicle's interior remains undamaged, and the variety of tools included in the kit handles a wide range of tasks. This tool kit includes various no-scratch plastic pry tools designed for removing door panels, car clips, push rivets, molding, dashboards, and interior trim. The tools are made of high-quality plastic that is both strong and flexible, providing long-lasting performance. Number 3. TOOENJOY Universal Car Door Step. This car door step is designed to fit all types of vehicles. Its adjustable structure works with door latches on both front and rear doors, ensuring a tight and safe connection for easy roof rack access. Worry no more about damaging your car. The high-density rubber cushion and rotatable design protect your door frame, while the large contact surface ensures a stable standing experience. Getting to your roof has never been easier. Simply hook it onto the door latch for quick access. The elevated design allows you to work at a more comfortable height. Stand with confidence on the extended platform, designed to support both feet. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum steel, it's lightweight yet incredibly strong, holding up to 400 pounds. This doorstep is incredibly lightweight and foldable, making it easy to store in your glove box or spare tire compartment. It's your perfect companion for loading cargo, kayaks, bikes, and more. Whether you're loading gear for a trip or washing your car, this step provides the stability you need. It's an essential accessory for any outdoor enthusiast or traveler. What we like. Struggling to access your car's roof for loading or cleaning? This innovative doorstep offers a stable platform for both feet, making it easy to reach your roof rack or cargo. If you frequently transport gear or need to wash your vehicle's roof, this foldable and portable accessory is a must-have. It provides secure support up to 400 pounds. What people say. The doors are made of high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. The design features a smooth, silent operation with integrated hydraulic dampers for controlled closing. Installation was straightforward, and the doors fit perfectly into the existing frame without any modifications. Number 2. Storystore Automotive Door Weather Stripping. This flexible seal features internal metal clips for a secure grip and a sponge rubber bulb to ensure a tight seal. It's designed for a variety of applications, providing excellent retention. It offers superior protection against heat, extreme weather, and corrosion. This seal is resistant to both high and low temperatures, and it prevents damage from ultraviolet light. Made from EPDM foam rubber, it effectively drowns out noise and eliminates vibrations. It protects your vehicle or home from outside elements, providing a quiet and comfortable environment. This seal is perfect for a wide range of uses, including car doors, RV compartments, boat hatches, toolboxes, and storage containers. It can also be used as a decorative trim. Installation is a breeze as it requires no adhesive. Simply push it on for a fast and secure fit, creating a finished edge that protects against the elements. What we like. Worried about your car, RV, or boat being exposed to the elements? This weather stripping provides a secure seal against water, dust, and extreme temperatures, while also reducing noise and vibration. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-install solution to protect your vehicle's interior and exterior, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for sealing doors, compartments, and more. What people say. The doors are made of high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. The automatic closing mechanism is smooth and reliable, providing a secure seal every time. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. Number 1. Custom Logo LED Projector Car Door Lights. Add a personal touch to your car with these custom logo projector lights. Make a statement every time you open your door. We can bring any image to life. Whether it's a cherished photo, important text, your brand logo, or any unique pattern, we've got you covered. Each package contains a pair of these custom projector lights. You'll receive 2 lights, ready to illuminate your entrance. If you already own welcome projector lights, you can easily get custom logo slide sheets. Just search for B07Z39BD7S to find them. We're here to help with any questions you may have. Please reach out to us, and we'll get back to you within 12 hours. What we like. Want to add a personal touch and a welcoming glow to your car doors? These projector lights can be customized with any logo or image you desire, projecting a clear welcome message when the door opens. If you're looking to personalize your vehicle and add a unique flair, especially for car enthusiasts or those who appreciate custom details, these lights are a fantastic option. They're simple to install and make a great impression. What people say. The door is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which is both lightweight and durable. The door features a unique multi-point locking system that enhances security. Installation was straightforward, and the door fits perfectly into the existing frame. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.